Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the first annual James E. Graham Jr. Memorial Golf Tournament. And I kind of wanted to take a moment to reflect on kind of why everyone is here today. You know, some of you may be here just because you love the game of golf. Some of you may be here today because Alzheimer's disease has impacted your family or your loved one. And for some of you, it may be because you had the great pleasure of meeting my grandfather, and he undoubtedly impacted your life in a positive way. For those who never had the pleasure of meeting my grandfather, he was a legend, truly was. He proudly served his country in the United States Marine Corps and then served in the United States Air Force for a total of 2 terms. He was a retired United States Postal Service letter carrier, retired president of the National Association of Letter Carriers Branch 46, and retired president of the Massachusetts State Letter Carriers Association. He was a 4th degree knight, member of the American Legion Post 185, and the list goes on and on. But most proudly, he was married to an Italian for over 55 years.
I know he's looking down today, smiling with that famous smile that could light up a room, filled with pride and gratitude for the love and generosity displayed at this tournament in his memory and in his honor. He wouldn't want anyone shedding a tear today. In fact, if he saw any tears, he'd say, "Come on, don't shut up." I want to thank all the businesses and individuals who contributed to the tournament, and I want to thank all the friends and volunteers helping out today. I want to especially thank my 3 boys for the work they put into today's tournament. With Chris and Matt living in Boston, Ryan was the boots on the ground, doing a lot of legwork here in Western Mass. Chris volunteered, helping out with a lot of the loose ends and coordinating all the volunteers here today. And last but certainly not least, Matt virtually single-handedly pulled this whole thing together. It was his idea, and he spent countless hours making it happen. So golfers, enjoy your day. Thanks again. Keep on pressing.
Champions of the inaugural James E. Graham Jr. Memorial Golf Tournament with a score of 7 under on 9 holes is Group 8, Josh Doherty, Jeff Lazazra, Anthony Beccarelli, and Dan Masutra.
We heard you were a big fan of chocolate, so we wanted to give this to you. Yes. No, of course not. Yeah, from me and the rest of the team. You're welcome.
Give her chocolate because she likes chocolate.
You and your family put up a great tournament, great time today. It was awesome. I'm sure he was proud. Very proud.